This is a short tip right here. If you're making wind spinners, I just made this board. You just take a board, whatever length you want. This is about 12 inches. And then I put another one that I'm cutting my wind spinners at 9. So I attach glue, screw, whatever, one to the other side. Then when I'm doing it, I can just measure each time I put it up here, and I've got markings of 1, 2, 3, 4.5, 1, 2, 3, 4.5, which comes to 9, and clamp it down and put it on the center, and you'll be able to, in no time, be able to drill your holes. And this also keeps them from spinning around and getting caught on the bit and smashing your knuckle. And you can do this very fast and get a whole bunch done in no time. But just a quick tip on, you line it up and get it centered and use this mark. And if you're doing something real small, I've said I've got markings on here, so I just line it up, and it don't have to be perfect, but I pretty much line it up. And you can see the difference between something this short and something like this. That guide helps you go a lot quicker, a lot faster, and it's actually safer, keeps you from getting your knuckles cracked. New wind spinner I just put together, 24 inches, 4 different colors of blue with red ends. Had some leftover pine, so I decided to just paint instead of making it natural. And then after I painted it, I put on a shellac over top of it for a coating.